Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the C# extension and confirming the NET SDK version. This ensures symbols and debugger support. Once done, open the project folder, run .NET Restore, and build in Debug so PDB files generate. Next, set targeted breakpoints in the methods you want to inspect. Then open the Run view and accept or create a launch. JSON using the C# net template. This maps how VS Code launches or attaches. These steps get you into the debugger quickly and reliably. Once you launch, JSON exists. Decide launch versus attach. Launch is simplest for local runs. Attach targets IIS, Docker, or external processes. Use the call stack to trace function flow, then open watch, locals, and autos to inspect variable values. Add expressions to watch for focus checks. Make use of conditional breakpoints and hit counts to skip noise, and enable debugger logging or console output when behavior is timing sensitive. These tools let you follow the how and why of failing code. You finish by using step into, step over, and step out to move through code, and press continue to resume until the next breakpoint. When you need non-invasive traces, set log points instead of spamming console. Write lines so you keep runtime behavior intact. If breakpoints aren't hit, make sure the app is built in Debug, PDB files exist, and source matches deployed binaries. Also confirm your launch. JSON points to the correct program and process. That check fixes most breakpoint and attach problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.